I am getting ready to do a little plant unboxing for you. So I have been participating. This is my second plant swap that I've done, and it's put on by Plant Mom on Instagram. I'll tag her page and a few other people. And they always just put on a really great virtual plant swap. And I think the last time I did a plant swap, the person was in Texas that sent me the plant, and then I sent my plant to someone, gosh, I don't even remember what state it was. So I signed up for my second one. This is their fourth or fifth one, I think, that they put on. And so I just got my plant. So I'm super excited. I love it because, so they use Elfster, and you put your wish list on there, and then everybody's supposed to send something, whether it's from your wish list if they have it, which is great, or something that maybe they think that you like. You can put your Instagram handle on there to maybe help them figure out the type of plants that you like. So you never know what you're gonna get, which I think is always super fun. I don't know. I think it's fun to be surprised sometimes when it comes to plants. I'm terrible with surprises otherwise. So let's see what I've got here. Enjoy your swap gifts. Oops, is what it says. Oh my gosh, what is this? Enjoy your swap gifts from Nick, Teeny Tiny Jungle. Oh, okay. I saw a plant. Look how cute this is. Okay. Oh my gosh. There's so much stuff in here. Look, it's a little collage, whatever they're called. Oh my gosh, I've wanted one of these. I'm so excited. Look how beautiful. Look at this gorgeous prayer plant. It's the Maranta something. I'm terrible with plant names, y'all know that. This is so beautiful. And it's packaged so well. Let's see. I love how they package this. So well packaged. Legit going to cry, guys. It's stunning and I'm in love. And it's got a third little leaf, or whatever you call, do you call them leaves on Sansevierias? I don't know. And oh my gosh, I'm really excited about this. And y'all know I love my little prayer plants. Look at this new leaf coming up. I love it all. Thank you so much, Nick. I love my swap gifts. You did an amazing job packaging it all. It's all cute. It's all stuff that I love. So thank you, friend. I'm gonna find your Instagram. Bye, guys.